Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you guys are watching this live streaming. So today I am coming to you live from California, USA. I have the opportunity to bring in another guest for today. So I tried to bring in a guest from our community. I try to do it once or twice a week. But today I have special guest. She is gonna be joining me live today. So please leave me a comment if you're watching this on a replay or on live streaming. I would love to know how global is our live streaming going today. My name is Josephine again. If you are new or this is your first time tuning in on my page, and um, I am a mom of two, and I'm a wife, a mom, and currently living here in California. And also, I am originally from the Philippines, and also a digital business mentor running this business. Today, I am running it from home. So before I will go ahead, let me bring in my guest for today. So without further ado, let me introduce to you Glenda. Hi, good morning, Glenda. How are you?
Hello, everyone. Hello, Sis Josephine. I'm good, thank you.
Yes.
So,
How's the weather dyan sa, sa Calgary? So she's
oh,
coming from Calgary.
it's been snowing for like maybe 3 weeks now continuously. So our
Wow.
weather today is negative 26. So probably it's going down later in the afternoon because it's also sunny day today. So
Wow.
ayan. Thank
That's
you for
cold.
I know. Kaya naka-jacket ako even if I'm at home because it's still
That's
cold
okay.
inside. Yeah. So, hello po to everyone who's watching us. So, wherever you are in the world. So, I hope you can drop your in the comment where you're watching from. So, my name is Glenda. So, I'm a mom of three, I'm a wife, and I'm a full time digital business owner. But prior to that, of course, I work in the retail and food industry for more than 20 years prior to migrating to Canada. I work in SM Supermalls in Levi's brand as a store manager. And then when I came here to Canada, I still work in retail because that's my background. And we all know that actually our education back home is in the Philippines is not recognized here in Canada. Unlike in the USA, I know it's recognized, right? But for us here in Canada, it
I
isn't.
think some, yeah, but
It's the
not all
same.
of them. Yeah.
Oh,
It's the
not
same
all of.
thing. Yeah, you have
Mm,
to start over again, di ba? So,
yeah.
kahit na may degree ka sa atin, pagdating mo dito sa US, so, parang, parang baliwala rin kasi kailangan mo mag-umpisa ulit, di ba? Kasi hindi
That's
naman
correct.
dito recognize yung degree natin sa atin, di ba? So, karamihan sa mga immigrants na pumupunta ng US or Canada, mag-uumpisa ulit 'di ba sa panibagong naman.
From
So, I
scratch.
can relate to you. Yeah. Mag-uumpisa ka sa scratch na balik sa uno. So,
Back to
yeah.
zero.
So, back to zero ka ulit. So, kailangan mong mag-aaral, kahit na may doktor ka sa atin o kailangan
Mm,
mo mag-aral ulit kasi dito hindi
totoo.
yan sa atin. So, yeah.
Totoo
So,
yan.
magtatagalog po kami dito. So, sa mga viewers nating kababayan dyan sa atin, sa Pilipinas, saan ka nga ba sa atin?
Oh, kami Manila
Galing sa
kami. Quezon
Manila,
City. Yeah.
Quezon City. So,
Mhm.
ano na oras sa atin?
Madaling
Morning
araw
sa
na
Pilipinas.
madaling araw na sa
Madaling
atin. Ang-
So magandang umaga diyan sa atin sa mga kababayan. Ako naman sis taga Bicol. So ikaw
oh,
Maynila. So, yeah. So
yeah,
anyway,
Bicolana.
thank you for that introduction. So yeah, go ahead and share your journey. So how you were able to transition from your work full time, and then now you're a business owner full time.
Yeah, so katulad nga sis ng nabanggit natin, so kahit ano man yung work natin sa Canada, kahit gaano siya ka-decent, gaano, yun nga, kahit nga professional ka sa atin, pagdating dito sa abroad, USA or Canada or I know naman sa ibang countries, foreign countries, you really need to start from the bottom again. So, of course, pagdating ko nga dito as an immigrant back in 2015, so after, wala pang isang buwan, kailangan ko na agad magtrabaho. Dahil, kumbaga, yung bills, andyan na, lumalaki na. So, dito kasi sa, sa atin, dito sa Canada, ang dami-daming mga insurances, yung bills, hindi siya humihinto. So, for a family of 5, so, yung kahit yung may savings yung asawa ko, nag-deplete agad. So, I need to help him.
Yes.
Kaya, nakapag-work naman ako agad in retail sa Coach brand. And then, after a year, I realized na, so nakita ko na yung realidad na hindi, kumbaga, hindi kasya kahit dalawa kayo nag-work, talagang, and then bills keep on coming every month, expenses is growing since we have 3 kids. So I really na-realize ko na I really need to do something na hindi umasa sa employment income lang. So I decided to upgrade my skills in healthcare kasi yun yung naging suggestion sa akin na in-demand job daw dito. So, yun, nag-aral ako. I took a loan from the government for my tuition fees, which is nakadagdag sa aming mga utang. And then, when I finally graduated from the program, while I'm looking for a job related dun sa healthcare course na program na kinuha ko, that's the only time naman I saw an advertisement on my newsfeed about this business. And na-amaze ako kasi there are like different, like, kumbaga, they're from different backgrounds and magkakaibang mga lahi. And then when I saw a Filipino couple na nandun sa negosyo, kaya sabi ko, oh, and I'm a new immigrant back then nung nakita ko yun. Kaya sabi ko, if kaya nila, I know kaya ko din. So because I want to stay home, I want to earn from home, I want na parang maasikaso yung pamilya ko kasi nga we are like LDR ng asawa ko for 6 years. And then, nung magkakasama na kami dito, we are both adjusting. Yung mga anak ko, medyo malaki na. So, lahat kami nag-a-adjust sa culture and all. So, kaya sabi ko, why not na subukan ko tong negosyo na to na kumita katulad nila, na kumikita na nasa bahay and then naasikaso nila yung pamilya nila. And kaya I followed my guts. I watched the free webinar that time. It's the same webinar that we are offering every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. PST. So since then, since 2018 when I joined the business, I never looked back. And it's the best decision that I made as an immigrant mom. So talagang no regrets. Kaya I'm so thankful for this business opportunity kasi we are like family. So walang, kumbaga kahit new immigrant ka or yung mga matataas na sa atin or mga leaders natin, we are like equal in here. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako na I followed my guts and take a leap to start my business.
Wow, what an
Yes,
amazing journey. Ang galing, sis. So, dahil sa business na ito, nandito ka na, you're working full-time na as a business coach, right, sis? So, you're coach in the business and hindi ka na nagtatrabaho sa labas. So, ilang months bago ka nag-quit sa work mo, sis?
Oh, yes, sis. So, after
16 months.
16 months.
So 16 months, imagine. Yes, imagine after 16 months. So naging full-time ka na business owner. So you quit your job.
Yes.
That's amazing how the business opportunity works, right? It's amazing how you can do that. Because working sa labas is mahirap, di ba? Kasi pag may amo ka,
Tsaka
eh,
malamig.
dapat ang lamig. Pag nag-winter, malamig, nag-i-snow. At least ngayon, hindi
Mm,
mo kailangan lumabas, di ba? So,
yeah,
kahit nasa bahay ka lang, na kumikita ka pa rin dahil sa business. So, at saka na alagaan yung pamilya mo. So,
mhm,
hindi ka na magko-commute sa work mo. Kasi yun ang ano dyan, di ba? Ang hirap pag winter,
correct.
ang I can imagine yung ang lamig, negative, negative degrees. So, ang
Naranasan ko
galing
pa nga
naman.
nun, sis. Gusto ko lang
Yeah.
i-share na there's one time na, syempre, pag bagong immigrant ka, di ba, super lamig. So, hindi mo pa alam yung
Oo.
tamang outfit. Tapos, nandun ako sa bus stop. Di ba kasi ang bus dito, hindi pa ako nung nagda-drive. So,
Pag
ang bus
nagda-drive
dito,
ka doon.
merong,
Yeah.
merong schedule. So, there's one time na late yung bus. So, nandun ako, ang tagal, siguro 30 minutes na ako
Ang
naghihintay sa
lamig.
bus stop. Yung talagang iiyak ka na sa lamig. Ano bang, bakit ka ba nandito? Alam mo yung
Nandito.
gano'n? Oo.
Yeah.
So, kasi super lamig na. Syempre,
Ah,
hindi naman tayo sanay. We're from the Philippines, tropical country,
ang init
mainit.
sa atin. Yeah. Yeah, akala
Kaya,
ng iba
ayun.
sis, ang ganda ng buhay, di ba? Pag pumunta ng Canada, pumunta ng US, wow, ang ganda ng
Correct.
buhay. Hindi nila alam kung hindi mo malalaman pag nandito ka na. Ang hirap. Kailangan mo
Mm-hmm.
mag-adjust, di
Mm-hmm.
ba?
That's true.
Mag-umpisa ka
That's
sa
true.
zero. So, karamihan sa mga immigrant, I'm sure, nakaka-relate sa story natin, di ba? So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, ano pa ba ang naitulong, malaking naitulong ng business na ito, sis, bago tayo dive in sa ating main question?
So malaking bagay sis kasi as an immigrant mom and then yan nga, aside sa you are earning from home, naasikaso mo yung pamilya mo. So I don't wake up to
Yeah.
an alarm clock anymore. So gumigising ako anytime I want. I take control of my time. So lahat ng mga kailangan kong gawin for the whole day, so nagagawa ko siya na I am in control, wala akong boss na kailangan kong pagpaalaman
Tama.
or I need to attend kung ano man yung mga appointments namin. So lahat yan nagagawa ko in my own time. So, yun yung very thankful ako. Nakakapagluto ako araw-araw ng mga freshly cooked food para ihain sa aking
Yes.
pamilya. So, which is, I'm enjoying that. Kaya pag nakikita niyo po ako, lagi akong naka-live, naka-share ng aking mga niluluto. Kasi I'm very proud to say na
Yes.
I'm doing
Cooking
all
fresh
the
meal.
things
Yeah.
that I love in my own home while running my own business and earning at the same time.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes, that's the same thing for me. I'm always cooking at home. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. My kids
Mm-hmm.
who have hot meal. So yeah, so before anything else, let's dive into my main question. So,
Okay.
do you need to quit your job to start this business? Kailangan ba mag-quit ka sa trabaho mo para lang makapag-start ng business na ito? So go ahead, sis.
Iyan. So, isa yung magandang tanong sis kasi karamihan
Yeah.
din sa mga na-encounter ko nag-inquire about this business is
So,
ang laging reason nila, oh, I'm busy. Oh, hindi ko nagtatrabaho ako.
yeah.
Of course, may mga anak ako, yung iba maraming anak na maliliit. So, ayan. So,
Yeah.
yun yung kagandahan sa negosyo po natin, sa business model natin kasi hindi pwede mo siyang i-inject or i-insert sa iyong buhay kahit na you are working, you're a busy mom, you're a working professional dahil you only need few hours, maybe start to 2 to 3 hours every single day to while you are doing your training, while you're like learning all the processes, the in and out of the business. Syempre sa simula, this is a business po. This is not a job. So katulad din po ng ibang negosyo, ng ibang what do you call this, yung mga brick and mortar business. So lahat naman po ng negosyo is kailangan mong tutukan. Kasi
Tama.
kumbaga kailangan mo siyang pag-aralan. And yan nga, while you are setting up your business, 2 to 3 hours a day or more if you can. So yung iba nga po
Mhm.
dito, every like kung nag-work sila, every off lang nila on a weekends or so, doon nila ginagawa ang business. Kasi nga po, ang negosyo natin is, it's built with system automation. Kaya hindi po siya kailangan ng maraming oras na tumutok ka or nakatutok ka all day just to run your business. Kasi po, once you are set up, your business is running na 24/7 in the background. Kasi nga po, we have a system automation. So, yun yung po yung kagandahan. Kaya kahit mga busy po kayo, you are working, you are busy moms, maraming mga chickitings, or you're busy kayo sa buhay, ang business po na to, it will work on your family schedule. So, hindi po siya sagabal sa iyong busy life as a parent or a working professional. Kaya po, we are so thankful. We are proud digital business owners. That's why we are continuously sharing this business opportunity to everyone. Kasi nga po, we are, alam namin na maganda yung business model. Alam namin na yung compensation plan is really a plus bonus to us kasi we are working in a company that's really stable, 50 years na in the business. Kaya po, both, kumbaga wala kang talo. Kaya nga po, when I joined this business, I never look back. Maraming shiny objects na nagsasabi dyan na left and right, na ito, maganda ng negosyo ito, so far. Kasi katulad ko rin po, marami rin akong nasalihan na negosyo, yung mga, what do you call this, yung mga direct selling. Kasi yun naman yung alam natin, di ba? Yung ang negosyo, direct selling, kailangan mo magbenta. Which is, isa po yan sa pinaka nagustuhan ko sa aming business model. Kasi nung nalaman ko na I don't need to sell for this business. What only, yung ginagawa lang po namin is tumutulong kami sa mga taong gustong magkaroon ng own online business. And we help them build their own as well. Using everything like the training, the system, and all. Of course, there is products kasi this is a business po. Wala namang negosyo na walang products or services na involved. Ibig sabihin po nun is scam po yun. Kaya meron pong product, it's just that we don't sell it po directly. So, ayan po. So, kaya po doon sa mga nagtatanong kung kailangan mong mag-quit sa iyong job, hindi po. Sa simula is of course merong adjustment with your hours. You need to manage your hours in order for you to learn the business and to do your training. Pero later on, once na set up na po ang iyong negosyo, you can give 1 hours to 2 hours a day. Mag-check ka na lang. Kaya katulad din po ng ginawa ko, after 16 months of doing the business, and nasa-surpass niya na yung earnings ko na I want for my family, is nag-decide na po ako to quit my regular job and do this business full-time. Kasi alam ko po malaki yung earning potential ko, unlike as an empleyado na limited siya. So when you do your business, you can earn uncapped earnings. Ayan po. So I hope nasagot po, sis.
Yes, I did definitely. So thank you for that inspiration, and I hope our viewers and followers na inspired kayo sa istorya ng buhay ni Sis Glenda. Siya po ay isa sa mga example na naging successful dito sa business natin. So marami pong mga kababayan natin, hindi lang kababayan, lahat po ng mga lahi nandito na naging successful dahil po nagporsige. So dahil sa yung pamilya ang number one na rason na dahil gusto natin na magabayan na ating pamilya habang nasa bahay na may kumikita, di ba? So yan po ang kagandahan po nito. So kaya showcase ko po or sinishare ko po yung mga kababayan natin, hindi lang kababayan, but a lot of people that are already here, their life have changed because of this business. So so sana ma-inspire kayo na mag-take action din kagaya namin, na nandito na sa business. Kung hindi pa kayo nandito sa business, we're inviting or inaanyayahan namin kayo na check nyo po ito. Maganda po yung negosyo na nakapagbabago ng maraming buhay. So, thank you
Yes.
again, Sis Glenda, for your time. Appreciated. Amazing story that you have. So thank you, and I
My
appreciate your time.
pleasure.
So I'm not gonna stay here too long. So I I respect your time, but thank you for your
You're
time
welcome.
and for sharing your story. So bye for now, and I hope you guys had a great day. God bless
Thank
us all,
you.
and mabuhay, mabuhay dyan sa ating mga kababayan. So next time po
Yes.
ulit, and we'll see you. Bye for now. Thank you.
Bye.